Hello everyone, you're on the Atlas Group real estate channel in Spain and I am Nikita Zubov. Today we are reviewing a 4-room apartment in Capanes del Golf residential complex. This is a gated residential complex near the city of Marbella. There is a large green area with 24-hour security, 5 swimming pools, a spa center, an indoor pool, a sauna and a gym. And this is surrounded by nature, golf courses and mountains. All necessary infrastructure is nearby, including shops, restaurants and everything you might need. I won't go into details about the residential complex here because we will have a separate detailed video. I will leave the link in the description once it's ready. Now let's go take a look at the apartment. This is what our block looks like. Each block has 7 apartments, one of which is a 2-story penthouse. Our apartment is right here, on the 3rd floor. The apartment's area is 240 square meters. There is a living room with a guest toilet, 3 bedrooms each with its own bathroom, a separate kitchen, a large terrace of 69 square meters with a barbecue area, and also an underground garage. We enter our block. You can go upstairs by stairs or by elevator. We went up to our floor. We enter the apartment. We are just greeted by a hallway, and on the right, we pass by the guest toilet and enter the kitchen. The kitchen is fully equipped with Siemens appliances. There's an electric stove, an oven, a refrigerator, a dishwasher, and a microwave. You can also access the terrace from the kitchen through the barbecue area. We'll go there later and I'll show you everything. Let's step out of the kitchen. Let's take a look at the guest toilet. It has a sink and a toilet, nothing extra. Through the corridor, we enter the living room. Here we have a bar counter. We walk through the room and step out onto the terrace. The terrace area is 69 square meters. Here is the exit from the kitchen and the barbecue area. There is a gas grill here, and if desired, you can also set up a charcoal one. Here's the view of residential complex grounds. It's winter, everything is green, and kids in t-shirts are playing on the lawn. Dining area and relaxation area. The owners are currently relaxing here, so let's not disturb them. Here is the main pool and the spa complex right over here. Let's go back to the apartment. We walk through the living room and down the hallway to enter the master bedroom. Here we have a walk-in closet. And the bedroom itself has access to the terrace. Here we have the master bathroom with underfloor heating. There are 2 sinks, a shower area, a bathtub, a bidet, a toilet, and a window with natural light for ventilation. We leave the master bedroom and go to see the next one. Let's enter the second bedroom. It also has its own bathroom with underfloor heating, a sink, a shower, a toilet, a bidet, and also a window. The room has its own balcony overlooking the complex grounds. Let's go back to the room and move on to see the next one, the third bedroom. The third bedroom. There is also a private terrace and a private bathroom with underfloor heating. Let's go take a look at the terrace. From here you can also see the inner area of the complex. Price. As of today, the market value of this apartment is around 600,000 euros. But it is not for sale at the moment. It can be rented for the summer or for a long term. The rental cost for the summer is 230 euros per day. The longer the rental period, the more beneficial it will be. The long-term rental cost is 2,500 euros per month. I believe, and many locals would agree with me, that this is one of the best residential complexes in Marbella. And here, the price-quality ratio is good. Write your opinion about the apartment in the comments, what you liked and what you didn't. We read everything and will answer all your questions. Also check out detailed videos about this residential complex. I remind you, we will leave the link in the description once it is ready. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to learn more about the city of Marbella and the sunniest coast of Spain, Costa del Sol. And now I say goodbye. This was Nikita with Atlas Group. Good luck to everyone and goodbye.